Hi there, it's Grant here. In this video, I'm going to look at some of my favorite and best performing offers on Clickbank. So if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing and start your affiliate marketing business ready for 2025, or you're just stuck and you're just looking for new hot offers to promote, then this video is for you. If you like this content, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? So let's get on with the video. So in order to look for offers, I am going to be using Clickbank, which is pretty much the most well-known top affiliate network out there. So first thing you need to do is go to clickbank.com and create a free account so you can see the offers. You need an account in order to get to the affiliate marketplace. So assuming you've done that, let's look in the affiliate marketplace at the offers. So I've gone to top offers because these are the best performing offers. You don't have to do this, but it just gives you a good indication of what's performing well and what's not. So this number here is the number you kind of want to be paying attention to. This number represents the number of affiliates who are making money with this offer. And this is basically the top performing offer on Clickbank at the moment. It's called Genius Wave. Let's go into the page. It's basically a self-improvement offer. It's an audio program. You listen to it, and basically it's meant to increase your brain power. Really intriguing offer. I think this offer's only going to do better and better because we're coming into that time of year where, especially around New Year, where people want to improve themselves. So this is actually quite a good product to promote in the moment. It's evergreen, so it's always going to sell well. And it's pretty much an impulse purchase. Only $39, so you don't have to think about it. You either want it or you don't. This is what the best performing offer on Clickbank. So that offer's doing really well at the moment. But as for me personally, I really like health and wellness offers. They do the best because health and wellness offers, they're mass market. People always want to be looking out, being better and being healthier, losing weight, curing painful problems. Really health and wellness and weight loss is where it's at. And really the top performing sort of health product in Clickbank for the past couple of months has been Jiva Burn. Jiva Burn is a weight loss offer. It's been around for a while now. I think it's been around since the spring. They rebooted it. This product's actually been around for a while, but they rebooted it this year. And basically they've got a really cool angle because they're using coffee as the angle that you can use to basically lose weight by firing up your metabolism. Basically, Jiva Burn is a coffee sort of additive. It's basically a powder you add to your coffee and it fires up your metabolism and helps you to lose weight. So we're appealed to a mass market, appeals to men and women. Again, sort of reasonably priced. This is sold really well. I mean, the offer's dying out a bit now because it's been a while. The gravity score is dropping, but it's still a very strong gravity score. But I'd imagine it's only the top affiliates that are really sort of keeping this gravity score high. I mean, would I promote this now? I probably wouldn't, because I'll tell you another secret as well. The time to promote waist loss products is after Christmas and going into January, because people have obviously overindulged, especially women. They've put on weight and they're just, as soon as end of December, January comes around, feel miserable, they put on weight and they just want to lose it. And I'm telling you, this is when all of these products basically get released, sort of in December, early January. They're released and they just sell a lot of hotcakes because people just want to lose weight, particularly women. So so I would probably, it doesn't mean you can't sell them now because there's still great offers to promote. But the time to really promote these offers, if you want mass sales and you can make a lot of money very quickly, is sort of going into the new year, sort of early January, February, March, April, sort of May time leading up to summer. There's another one, Nagano Fat Burning Tonic, is doing very well as well. But the offers I really like at the moment that are really catching my eye are this one. This is a men offer. This is Nitric Boost. Basically, it's an erectile dysfunction offer. Basically, erectile dysfunction, massive problem worldwide among men. And it's not just older men who are over 40 or 50. Even young guys are getting erectile dysfunction now as well. Many reasons for it, but this offer is doing very, very well. I'm actually promoting this at the moment. I'm using Facebook ads to promote it. In actual fact, I'm going to give you the landing page. You can download the landing page yourself. It'll be in the description, which is this. I'll go through it after I've gone through the offers of how you can promote this, but all of the health offers as well and other affiliate offers, because that's really the secret sauce of basically making money with affiliate marketing, is having a decent sort of bridge page between that and the offer that you're promoting. But this is one of my favorite offers, targeting men. Obviously, erectile dysfunction, very embarrassing problem. So men will spend a lot of money in order to basically resolve it and get their sex lives back on track. So that's one I'm promoting I really, really like. Another one that I really like is Prostaviv, which is basically to help men who've got enlarged prostates and prostate problems. Again, anything to do with erectile dysfunction, prostate is performing really well, because obviously enlarged prostate, very painful problem. That can cause erectile dysfunction in and on itself. Can cause men to, have all sorts of problem urinating. Can be painful. It's not a very nice condition to have. So this offer is I think this offer is actually going up. It's got a very healthy gravity score. Just so you know, a gravity score over about 40 is worth promoting. And just because an offer has got a low gravity score doesn't mean the offer doesn't convert. There might be a low gravity score of say 30 or 40, but there could be only a handful of super affiliates who are promoting it, who are making $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6,000 a day plus. So don't be fooled with a low gravity score. High gravity score could mean, a lot of these affiliates are only making 1 or 2 sales a day. Generally, with the gravity score, how it works is that the top 1 or 2% of affiliates are making all the money, and the rest are just sort of making, either a few sales a day or just 1 or 2 sales a day. So obviously, like everything in life, the top 1 or 2% make all the money, and the rest are just making a couple of sales a day. So I tell you that so you're not fooled by the gravity score. Just because there's a low gravity score doesn't mean the offer isn't worth promoting. So Prostaviv is another great offer to promote. Another offer that's dropping down the list is Sugar Defender. This is basically a diabetes offer. This has been around for a while. Can help, help control blood sugar levels. This is basically an evergreen offer, because obviously diabetes is an epidemic problem around the world. So mass market offer. Yeah, this is an offer I would consider promoting. Very powerful offer. Great offer to consider promoting. And the last offer I'm going to sort of look at is ProDentin, which is basically a dental offer. Obviously quite niche, but people will always want good teeth, clean teeth, straight teeth. So yeah, this is another niche mass market offer, but is doing very well. So those are the offers I would promote if I'm an affiliate. Some other ones, Ted's woodworking site, very niche offer because he's targeting people who like DIY and building stuff and are interested in woodworking. This offer has been around for years, but it just consistently performs. So, if you're really interested in promoting something different, then Ted's Woodworking would be a very good offer to promote. Let me have a look. I mean, you can go down the list here. I mean, Slim Belly tonic was performing well, but that's dropping fast. I think it's a dying offer like Java Bird now. I'm just going down the list here. This offer's actually been performing really well. This is like a dating offer. Basically, the offer is you basically get a picture of your future soulmate. It's been crushing it. I mean, it's falling a bit now, but again, coming into the, sort of Christmas season, this offer might pick up again, because obviously people are going to want, love over Christmas, and especially going into New Year. So if you want to promote dating offer, this is quite a good offer to promote. Anyway, those are basically my favorite offers. If you want to promote any Clickbank offer, all you need to do is click this button, press promote, put your nickname in here. It's my nickname. Click continue. You can have direct URL. Just use Hoplink. Just sort of go down, and that's your link. So just copy it, and then you're basically good to promote the offer. But basically, in order to really have success with affiliate marketing, you can't just sort of spam these links on social media, because you're not going to get any sales. Next thing you need to do is have a great landing page, and there's all sorts of landing pages you can have. You can have advertorials, or another very popular way of doing it is a quiz, and this is a quiz page that I'm using to promote Nitric Boost, which is the ED offer I showed you. Very simple page. All I've done is basically taken out the big idea for the VSL, which is manhood molecules. Discover if this manhood molecule is killing your performance in the bedroom. Take the 7-second quiz below to see if manhood molecule is affecting you. So basically, I'm pre-qualifying and warming up men to basically buy the product, and that is really the psychology of these landing pages. Also, very quickly, you can get this landing page absolutely free. I'll link to this landing page. You can download it in the description below. All you need is a ClickFunnels account. ClickFunnels account is basically a landing page software that allows you to create landing pages like this and sales funnels. If you've already got a ClickFunnels account, you can just download this straight to your account completely free, and you can start using it straight away. If you haven't got a ClickFunnels account, I'll leave a link so you can join ClickFunnels. You get a 14-day free trial, and then you can choose the plan you go on to. I think the plans are basically $97 a month or $297. Or you only need the $97 a month plan. You don't need the platinum one. If you want the platinum one, you want all the training, by all means do it. But you get a 14-day free trial anyway, so you can try it. And then you can choose your pay plan after. Well worth it. I use ClickFunnels all the time. I love it. Really easy to use. Yeah. And this is the ClickFunnels Classic, because there's a ClickFunnels 2.0 and a ClickFunnels Classic. I'll just use a Classic because it's cheaper and it does everything you need, especially if you're going to be an affiliate marketer. So if you want this landing page, if you've got a ClickFunnels account, just click it and it will automatically upload to your ClickFunnels account. If you haven't got it, just sign up for your free ClickFunnels account below, and download it straight to your ClickFunnels account. Absolutely free, because I'm nice like that. So let me go through the quiz questions for you. So the whole point of this quiz is to pre-qualify guys for the offer. So are you a man over 45? Yes. How often do you get morning wood? I rarely if ever get morning wood. Erections, but I can't say that because I'm promoting this using Facebook ads. Yes, I'm struggling in the bedroom, so I'm pre-qualifying them. If we could help you improve your bedroom performance, would you watch a short video presentation on following page for offers a natural solution? You show me now. At the end of the video, if you find value, would you buy the product right now? Yes. If this solution can dramatically improve your performance, can you afford at least $69 a day? Yes. Answer here. Okay, that shouldn't be there. So basically you just click on here. And basically it takes you to the offer VSL. And basically this VSL, I've basically pre-qualified the user. So basically it's just going to show people, it's going to warm people up to buy the offer. And this is what I promote through this landing page. And that is basically how you could promote Nitric Boost or any other of the health offers, particularly health offers. It's going to go back. So yeah, that is basically how I promote a lot of the health offers. Quizzes are really good because it just helps you pre-qualify people. You can also use advertorials as well, but I quite like quizzes. And yeah, very, very powerful. So that is basically, excuse me, that is what I've got for you guys. Again, if you want this landing page, you can download it for free into your ClickFunnels account. If you've already got a ClickFunnels account, just click the link, download it straight to your ClickFunnels account. If you haven't got them, I'll leave a link to ClickFunnels, sign up for a free trial, and boom, download this landing page straight to ClickFunnels. In terms of sending traffic to your page, there's so many ways of doing it. You can use YouTube channel. If you want to do product reviews of these offers on YouTube, you can do that. Another great way is Pinterest. TikTok is fantastic for promoting offers. But if you want to start quickly, you really want to start running paid ads, Facebook ads is a great way to start. Facebook ads is great. And also another great way to do it is native ad networks such as Taboola and Rev Content. But if I were you, I'd either promote these offers on Facebook using Facebook ads. I'd do a YouTube channel either around health and wellness, promote health products, or do product review channel reviewing these products, or use Pinterest because Pinterest is very underutilized by affiliates and stuff like that. And just drive all of your traffic to this page, and in no time at all, you will start seeing commissions coming in. Obviously, you're not going to be a millionaire overnight. You just want to develop that first sale. And then once you get that first sale, then you can get two. Then you want 1 or 2 sales a day, and then you can scale from there. Anyway, guys, also, last thing, if you got value out of this video, I will leave a PayPal donation link. If you found this video, useful and you want to donate to the channel, I don't expect any donations. I expect nothing. But if you got real value out of this video, if you got value out of a landing page and it's really helped you, you can donate to the channel. You can donate what you want, whatever value you think you got out of this video and this landing page. I'll leave a link to my PayPal donate button. Just donate what you want. Obviously, it's not expected, but if you want to donate, I really appreciate it because it helps me to create these videos for you. So I'll leave my PayPal donate link in the button in the description below. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.